Snowflake is a data warehouse and is meant to use rather big data. So populating manually with JSON content your tables is not is used just for experiments, but in real life you need to upload data from rather large files. So we'll start by learning how to use the wizard in the web UI to manually upload a JSON file in Snowflake. We'll talk about data transfer in Snowflake in general. And then, yes, we will refer to how to bulk upload JSON files in Snowflake with a copy into command. We'll look at this very important option in our file format. Yeah, when uploading JSON, strip outer array, because yeah, definitely you can split up the elements of a top JSON array to be able to load a huge amount of data. You'll see there are some limitations there for the capacity of storing some JSON data in Snowflake. When you upload data in Snowflake, you usually need to have the table created, but with an infer schema function, you can eventually, and this applies to JSON as well, you can determine what your data structure is. We'll experiment with upload validation and errors in a practical manner. And finally, yeah, we'll have a small chapter dedicated with unloading JSON data, basically exporting data from a Snowflake table to a local file. So this is our big picture, and here we are. Yeah, we started with JSON files, yeah, just JSON fundamentals, JSON format, totally disconnected from Snowflake or any other database. Then we continue with manual SQL insertion of JSON data generated on the fly with SQL statements in Snowflake, eventually saved in tables. But right now, yeah, it is about time to show you different ways to upload files with JSON data into Snowflake tables.